In this video, let's learn about top command. Top command is used to show the Linux processes or macOS processes. So when you execute this command, a Linux or a kernel will open up, which is like a more of an interactive mode. The top portion of the command consists of all the statistics and the resource usage of several processes. It gives you like a summary of the resource usage, and in the bottom portion you will see the currently running processes. The only way you can get out of the top command is when you press Q, the button Q. It'll exit the command. So let's look at it. So the top portion right here, if you observe, this console refreshes by itself pretty much every second. And you can see the top portion here. This talks about the statistics of processes and resource usage on this machine, on my Mac machine. And in the bottom portion, it is highlighting all the commands that are currently running on my Mac. Sorry, all the applications that are currently running on my Mac. So if you observe here, the PID is the unique process ID, like every process that runs on your MacBook. So I have a Zoom app, which is a meeting app. So it's taking the highest amount of CPU right now and the time. And I'm going to touch the important stuff right here. So percentage CPU is something that is important, which you should know. The higher the CPU, which means the more resources that specific application is using up, right? The other one you should be very wary of is the memory. So the amount of memory this specific process is actually using up. So that's something that you should be wary of as well. Other than that, that's the main usage of this top command. And when I press Q, it automatically exits the command. Let's say if you want to look at only the top 10, the commands, the processes that are running on your machine. So top -n, and let's say in my case, I want to look at the 10 top commands, and it's going to show up, the top 10 commands, and the statistics and the resource usage will be the same, like if you observe on the top portion. So the way we can get out of top command is, again, press Q, you'll be out of it.